down, nigga.
Oh, he said up, nigga.
Bro.
Walk on down. Let me see it.
Where are we?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Don't geek me, bro. Don't geek me, bro. What are you doing, Bob?
Later now, we can shoot. Back in full effect. This time I'm talking. Too crazy. See me, bro.
See it?
See me, bro.
You going to the party too? You're not going?
Nigga,
You staying home?
I'm not paying for a ticket, bro. That shit is
Well,
crazy.
how much did I pay for that?
20, bro.
That's crazy.
It's nasty.
Yeah.
Like, man.
Man.
Wow. Shout out Jared, man. Shout out I ain't gonna, you kill me, bro. Nah. You kill me. Stick to the pictures, bro. Stick to the pictures. You kill me with that, bro. Right. You wanna see it? Shout out Jared, man. You know, BD, man. That BD, man. Come on, man. The bless you on the feet. That's how you coming, bro? The red on red.
Mind the black side.
Come on, bro.
Mind the black side. It's crazy.
360, bro. Hey, 360. Man, and what you gotta say, bro? Take over, man. Take over.
You know, 89, 2024,
We'll see.
2026, you feel me?
We'll see. Forever. Don't stop, man. People do, man.
It's right here, man.
Come on, bro. Yeah, get that shit going,
My
man.
man is ATM, bro.
Judy in the cut.
Stop praying. He's perfect. He's perfect. Pray for this
Oh,
shit.
see? Keep the chin. He got on his, he got the feet on. There's DJ. Not wearing our merch. Fuck that nigga. Steve's fam. The Steve's member right here, bro. Steve's member. You know what's on the feet, man. Drew, you got that video. You gotta be saucy with it. Got that video. What you gotta say, Drew? We out here, man. We out here. He John Steezy, fam. Yes, sir. That nigga he man.
Alright, bro, like go ahead.
No fucking gear on.
Look, man,
Motherfucker.
I support now. I support, bro. I bought 2 days ago, now I'm saying. I reposting shit, man. I support, nigga.
Art friendly, fam. Art friendly, fam. Yeah, got the Stafford boys in the cut, man. Jared, Mike, PA boy.
That's the G.
Alrighty.
That's the G, nigga.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, yo, yeah, yo, yo.